So my old brush hog's been sitting a while, right? So took the clip off right here. There's that clip laying down there. Pulled my drive line off. Started pulling it apart and found quite a bit of corrosion in there. So I'm going to clean all this up and then put it back together and get this brush hog going again. So I'm going to use this wire brush. I'm going to spend a little bit of time on this thing, get it cleaned up real good, and I will add to this video later. So I cleaned it up considerably with the wire wheel. Got all the rust off. I'm going to go ahead and throw some oil on it or some lithium grease and reinstall it. So as you can see, I was able to put the end of that wire brush back in, and now it slides in and out just fine. Everything slides just fine, and it's ready for me to hook up this end down here. So I've started putting it back on. I'm aligning my bolt hole and getting ready to put on the little spring clip. Once I do that, so basically I got the bolt hole lined up for a shear bolt, and this thing's ready to go. Just need to start it back up and let her rip.